Namaste, beautiful soul around the world. Today I'm very happy and excited to be here with you to present you my new program, Healthy Spine, Healthy Life.
Healthy spine, healthy life.
The spine is not only the main structure of our body that help us to give shape to the body, help us with the movement, protect the nervous system that connect the brain to the body, but it's also the main channel where all the energy are moving, is our energetic channel. And more our spine is healthy and flexible, and more our life will feel free to move, free to breathe, and we feel more alive. So it's really important to have a healthy routine that will keep our spine flexible and healthy to really improve our life. In this program, we will start from the more physical, basic structure of the spine to then move on more subtle aspect. We will see a little bit also the nervous system, how it's working and how important it is to have also healthy nervous system to keep the internal organs work properly and the well-being of our life. And then we will move on more energetic, subtle aspect, analyzing the main channel like the Shushuna Nadi, a little bit also where the chakra are located on the spine, and all of these to give you the possibility to know better your spine and choose the practice that is more comfortable for you. I will give you a variety of style of yoga, a variety of timing. It will be short class and long class in a way that you really can find your practice, your routine to keep your spine healthy and flexible and create a healthy life. If you want to feel better, move more freely, breathing more deep, and feel more energizing, join me in this journey where we will work together to keep your spine healthy and flexible and create a very happy, healthy life. See you on the mat.